Hello guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz form with RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin. Here's RTMKit. You need to search add plugin and search RTMKit. You install it and install RTM Form Builder and you need to activate it. After that, you create page and edit Elementor. And you go here and flexbox and you add element and go to RTM form, drag and drop. After you drag and drop it, you need to edit form, new form. Here put your form name, quiz, and confirmation checkbox, quiz, and put your email here. And repeat it downstairs as well. You need just copy paste your email. And here's thank you. And you can customize the copywriting later with your own desire. And here as well, quiz. Here, copy paste your email. And here as well, admin notes. And after that, notification email, you need to save and edit. And you will go to another page to create your own form. It's gonna be loading and it will show the widget that you needed to create your own form in here on the left, but needs to wait first. It's gonna be loading first. Yeah, is here's the loading to Elementor page as well, but with RTM form form builder widget on the left side. You just need to wait until it's finished the loading. And later on, you can use ready template from RTMKit that you can use, and you can edit it later with your own desired customization, and you can change padding, how big it is, and you can add more after you use after you use your own desire. Here's the thing you need to click. You need to go to wireframe. After wireframe, go down and there is form, and you need to import it, quiz form 1. And here's the quiz form. It's loading first. Here's the quiz form. Full name and the question, and on another left as well. Here email, and you can add another one or you can try another form as well, and the runtime that already give it to you in wireframe, in form, and in here many template that you already can using it. Here is loading first. You can save and close. And it's loading again. Here's the form. Submit quiz as well. And you for the you can go here, runtime, RTMKit, Form Builder, and you go to form and loading. There will be your own template in here. The one that you already created is recording in here. So when people entry their data, they will record it in here. You just need to download CSV files. And yeah, if you want to have a RTMKit plugin, you can install it by yourself. You can edit it again. Yes, edit content and loading again. And you just need to wait. Yes, you can go to RTMKit and Form Builder and later choose form. Here's the loading. If you want to edit it one by one, you want to add another one, and yeah, you can customize the form template for quiz, and you get the beautiful design. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin, so you can edit your own customized form for quiz. Yeah, thanks.